Hi, I'm Mel Goff and I'm a co-founder of Ecospill Australia. And Ecospill exists to help Australian companies meet their environmental duty of care and to manage compliance both for their staff and also for their surrounding environment. We've been with Vonex for 9 years now, and I've got to say, the company's second to none. The reliability, we have not had any outages that I can recall or any issues. In fact, the only time that I think I've ever had to call tech support is just to do some customisations that we've needed from time to time. We've saved a lot of money since coming over to Vonex. We have a simple cost per extension, which is very easy to manage, and we're able to handle multiple phone calls way more than what we did before because we're not limited to just the number of lines that we have. When COVID hit, like many Aussie businesses, we were wondering how we're going to cope with this, but in all honesty, we coped very well, simply because of our phone systems. Staying connected was not a trouble at all. We had an interesting situation where sometimes our branch in Perth was in lockdown, sometimes our branch in Brisbane was in lockdown. We have staff that needed to work remotely from home, and that wasn't a problem because quite simply they just took their handset, plugged it into an internet connection at home, and it was no different as if they were sitting right here in the office with us. So the ability to transfer calls still to a rep on their mobile or a technician on their mobile meant that our customers weren't inadvertently impacted because we had difficult situations with COVID. We had our handsets, our original handsets from Vonex for 9 years. Try using your handsets every day for 9 years, but yet they lasted. So it's kind of like we still had the good technology even with old equipment. So the only reason for upgrading now is we just wanted a bit more bling, really, and get the Qantas points, of course. I'd recommend Vonex any day. Honestly, the ease of working with them, their ability to provide the right solution, to understand my particular business needs. When we started with Vonex, we were a small company of maybe 6 people. We're still a small company, but we've got 15 staff now, and they have been able to flex and pivot with us and grow with us as well.